Secured versus unsecured loan, which one is riskier? At first, this sounds like a basic loan comparison. One loan uses collateral, the other does not. So it is easy to assume the unsecured one must be the dangerous one, because lenders often charge more for it. But that is only half the story, and it is the half most people stop at too soon. The real difference shows up when something goes wrong, not when the loan first looks affordable.
What each loan really is. A secured loan is backed by property you own. The CFPB defines collateral as an asset a lender can take if you do not repay what you borrowed. The FDIC says common examples include mortgages and auto loans.
An unsecured loan is different because it is based on your promise to repay without collateral, and the FDIC notes that credit cards and student loans often fall into that category. Why the risk feels different? This is where the comparison gets more interesting. The FDIC says lenders consider unsecured loans more risky than secured loans, which is why they may charge a higher interest rate. That makes unsecured debt feel more expensive upfront, and that is why many people assume it is the riskier choice by default. But price is not the same thing as consequence, and that distinction matters more than most borrowers realize. Where people get the wrong answer, the mistake is focusing only on approval and monthly cost. A secure loan can look calmer because the rate is often lower, but the CFPB is very clear that if you cannot repay a secure loan, the lender can take the collateral. Its glossary also notes that with secure loans, the lender can still pursue debt collection, report negative information to credit bureaus, and might sue you. So the lower rate can hide a much heavier downside if life gets messy later. The risk nobody explains clearly enough. Here is the part that usually settles it. If you are asking which loan is riskier for the lender, the unsecured loan is usually riskier because there is no collateral standing behind it. But if you are asking which loan can feel riskier for you, the borrower, a secured loan is often the scarier one once repayment breaks down, because you may lose the asset tied to the loan. The CFPB warns this very directly with home equity borrowing, where using your home as collateral can put the home itself at risk. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. The real answer: so which one is riskier? The honest answer is that unsecured loans are usually riskier for lenders, while secured loans are often riskier for borrowers when things go badly. Unsecured debt may cost more because the lender takes more credit risk. Secured debt may cost less, but the trade-off is that your car, home, cash deposit, or other pledged asset can be on the line. That is the detail most people miss at the start. The safer loan is not the one with the nicer rate, it is the one whose downside you could realistically survive if your situation changed. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.